Dear Mr. President,
Blessed.
I hope you hear me now.
Kambani bafuthu.
I'm writing from the
Asithembe ukuthi
cell,
right man,
headed
asithembe ukuthi
hard
right
bowed
mfethu.
down.
Ngiyazi ukuthi
I was a
kunamajita
rich man,
adonsa
blind and
kanzima
full of pride, but
asezendlini
pain got me
imakiba
quiet.
akukho mnandi and
Now
bafuna
I
success.
see the light.
Ngicela abajita abangasipani
I lost my
abadinga
baby
isipani
smile.
abadinga isuccess
I lost
bathinta
my
umfundiso
mama's
wa-2000 manje ngidinga
Traded love
4
for
kahle kahle
anger.
maximum kumele
Gave
kube
my soul
8
to
nabajita
God.
from the age of
But behind
22
these
years
bars I
to
found
27 years.
a holy
Listen guys, tell me amanamba
God
amnawo
spoke
lapha
to my heart.
danko.
I ain't the same.
Listen,
Give me one more chance. Let me right what's wrong. Let me hold my son. Teach him to be strong. I ain't asking for